Hello everybody, my name is... I think I want to do another Draw My Life video. Yeah. Now, I want to do about, I think, tricks. When I was a kid, I loved tricks. I loved drawing arrows, stars like these ones. But you know what? No one ever knew me. Like, I used to make like my longest videos, I think I used to get like 1 like per video, so slowly. I used to get like really slowly, like it'll take me like 3 days to get 1 like, but see if I get 1 like. So I made a video on my 3rd day, I would get 1 like. On my next day, I probably won't get a like, but after that, that means 3. On my 3rd day, then on my next day, I will not get a like, I think, and on my next day, I will get a like. So I used to get to like 3 days, but not every 3 days. Oh guys, this chair I have on me is wobbling. Make the video for a fancy chair, alright? For a comfy chair. Oh god, that'd be... I think I like drawing stars, and I also loved drawing. I think I liked tricks. Like I used to get water bottles, yeah, but I didn't do the ordinary water bottle flipping. Nope. I used to shoot them and flip them through a hoop, trying to make them land in a pot. Now that is crazy actually, because you don't know, because it is actually pretty crazy. You know how it's crazy? Imagine if you are in a there's like a paper, yeah, and then you have to try and jump it through your shape. Let me just finish my... I think it was kind of like that, but there's a little pot here that I had to throw it into the land in the pot. Throw it through other pots as well, make it land completely into spin way, so it spins like that. It's going to spin clockwise. Why is it spinning clockwise? Because the hoop that I had to float on. It was crazy, and it used to be so tricky at the first place, and you can even imagine. I can imagine it being tricky. So after a long term of practice, I got a bit good at that. And there's a few stories of my life that you don't really know. It's not just my YouTube channel. It's not like me going like, hello everybody, my name is Dorian, welcome to... No, I did lots of stuff, and which are really fun actually. It took me like a whole of... no, that's only a little bit, like, if that is like a good time, like 3 years to practice and stuff. It took me a couple of days just after the years after my practicing and after my seeing how to flip it through and training, and it took me a very long while, but I can explain you something really quickly. This is a thing I could explain my life, but anyways, yeah. I also loved drawing. You can open up Paint 3D if you want, but now I use this one. I also loved hearts, these ones. They're called hearts. Now, no heart of spades. A heart of diamonds. Now that's a flat thing. I think it's a little bit like I loved it because they represented love. And if I believed in myself, for me it was like this. For me, if I wanted to some powder. Smells good though. Yeah, just let me just put a bit of powder on my hands. But anyways, so for me it was like, hey, I want to be lucky. Can I shoot? Can I be lucky so I can shoot through the. What do I do? Do I drink a lucky potion or something? No. Oh wait. All I need to do is love what I'm doing. So yeah, I need to love my non-luckiness, because my thing. So I loved what I was doing, yeah, not my non-luckiness, how good I was. So I loved how good I was, and when I loved it, all of a sudden it changed into love, and I was able to be very good. So it took me like 3 years. I had to do tricks. If I didn't do those tricks, it would probably take me 9 years, because you can't imagine how hard it is. I also didn't just do that. Like, I loved it. I also did this. Oh, no. I also taught us write a storybook. Now, the storybook could be still out there, but it's a story that goes like this. Lines here to show a story, and this is the picture. There's a few like kids here, a few playgrounds here. It's a fun story. Now it's a little story. It's an illustrated story. It's a roll dial story. I actually wrote that story when I was like about I think my brother was 3 years old. He was really little there, so I was 9, and a little time it took me a while, such as I think it was like paper was like, well, I'm just kidding, but like I think it was like stories, and it took me a really long while to finish that book. It took me like 3 days only. It was a little storybook. I also had a fun lots of my like friends helping me out. So I actually wrote it really quickly. So I didn't really all I needed is Joshua, and we were in a 3, so it didn't really matter too much actually 3 helping me. So actually 3 helping me. We're not in a 3, it was 3. What's better? 1 to do against 7 stuff, or 7 people to do against 1. 1 thing to do against 7 stuff. Yeah, that seems okay. That seems really nice. If you're like an expert, but I think 1 against 1. If 7 against 1, and yeah, I loved writing stories like this. Also, guys, if you are ready to subscribe to me in the I think in next couple of years or something, or couple of days, whenever you want to subscribe, just please make sure to do it, because I really want subscribers, and it would be nice if you could subscribe in like 3 days or something, because I tried subscribing. I tried like doing nice videos just like this one, and yeah, I think I am getting a little bit of likes, I think so. And and that like button has to evolve to the subscribe button. So that like button will have to evolve. Also, I was thinking crazy, such as my thingy, star. Actually, you know what? What? Star, yeah? Okay, there we go. Here. Star? No. Why do I keep saying star? My speech bubble to turn into a little star. I think that's nice. I like drawing stars and, like, treating myself. But for me, things were like a little fun, actually. I pretty much loved things. I loved drawing stuff. Can I explain to me really quickly? I loved stuff that like made me happy. For me, it was different. For me, I think it was kind of like I put my love into something, not luck. It was actually more of love. It was actually very different. It wasn't luck, actually. I think it was a little bit like luck. It was luck, point luck. Now point like his low points and my love. I just had to put my love into it. Like my likes, my love, my I love doing this. Yeah. My joy. I had to put my joy into it. Not my luck, my joy. My luck still worked a little bit. It did help a little bit, but once you hear my word, once I used my joy, it helped. Like I never wanted to stop. That was actually an example of things I loved doing. So I just had to put my love, my joy, and things would automatically happen. I wouldn't force it, I'll just do it automatically. Then I kind of would have a slight feeling. I would see it slightly, but just like so slightly that I could actually see it a tiny little bit, but not quite the I could even see much. And doesn't help out too much. Because, like, explaining you my story. My life is like a story, just to tell you. Like, it's like a little story. Like a little story. And I think in that story, I would love to make wait guys. Yeah, thank you. I love this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you